Imagine waking up and never needing a paycheck again. No boss, no schedule, no rat race anymore. Just XRP paying your bills. Incredible, isn't it? But can a volatile asset really replace a stable salary? Or is that freedom built on fragile math? Let's dive in. Employers pay you on schedule. Assets do not. An asset pays only if it generates cash flow, like dividends or rent, or if you sell part of it. XRP produces no native income stream. Without selling, nothing arrives monthly. Replacing a salary therefore requires execution, not patience. So replacing a salary means selling regularly, not holding, not waiting, executing monthly. If your expenses continue, your selling continues. This transforms XRP from an investment into a withdrawal machine. The critical question becomes simple. What happens when the market falls during those withdrawals? XRP has historically experienced drawdowns exceeding 70%. Crypto markets move in cycles driven by macro liquidity and risk appetite. A salary rarely drops 30% in a single month. XRP can. Volatility transforms predictable expenses into unstable income streams. Stability and price appreciation are not the same thing. Rent is due on time. Markets are not. If prices fall sharply, you still need liquidity. Selling during downturns locks in losses and reduces remaining capital. This is forced selling risk. The market does not coordinate with your monthly obligations. Expenses ignore volatility. During recessions, many employers continue payroll. Crypto markets often correlate with macro stress and liquidity tightening. When risk appetite falls, digital assets typically decline together. Salary stability depends on contracts. Crypto stability depends on markets. Those foundations operate under entirely different rules. Assume you want to earn $100,000 per year. That equals roughly $8,300 per month. How many XRP would you need? At what price? For how many years? This is not a prediction. It is a cash flow requirement before volatility enters the equation. A volatile asset requires a buffer. Living from 100% exposure creates fragility. Risk management frameworks emphasize capital reserves during uncertainty. Without reserves, a drawdown immediately threatens sustainability. Replacing salary therefore demands excess capital, not exact equivalence. Buffer protects stability. Exposure alone does not. For XRP to generate $100,000 annually, price assumptions must scale realistically. That implies significant market capitalization expansion. Crypto remains small relative to global equity markets. Extreme price scenarios require sustained capital inflows. Income replacement depends on probability, not possibility. Scale determines feasibility. Replacing a salary means selling XRP regularly. Selling triggers taxable events in most jurisdictions. The number you withdraw is not the number you keep in your pocket. Gross income differs from net income after capital gains taxes. Stability calculations must include taxation before conclusions feel realistic. In the United States, long-term capital gains often range between 0 and 20%, depending on income brackets. Every monthly withdrawal reduces remaining capital and creates tax liability. Over time, repeated selling compounds erosion. At the time of recording, tax frameworks continue evolving, and reporting requirements tighten. Net income matters more than withdrawal size. Replacing a salary may require 12 or more sales per year. Each transaction must be tracked, documented, and reported accurately. Compliance errors create penalties. Administrative friction increases with activity frequency. Income replacement is not only financial, it is operational and regulatory as well. For the vast majority, quitting a job feels like liberation. The narrative of financial independence spreads faster than the math behind it. Emotional reward often precedes structural validation. The dream focuses on escape from structure. But income replacement demands even stronger structure than employment provides. A salary brings psychological stability. Predictable income reduces cognitive load and uncertainty. Volatile assets create recurring evaluation pressure. Daily price swings translate into emotional swings when income depends on them. Stress increases when livelihood aligns with market cycles. Stability carries a premium beyond numerical calculation. You need to understand that living from an asset requires structured planning. Withdrawal schedules must remain consistent despite market emotion. Spending discipline becomes mandatory. Impulse decisions amplify volatility impact. Replacing a salary demands rules stronger than conviction. Structure protects income. Emotion destabilizes it. Income replacement becomes less fragile when capital significantly exceeds required spending. Excess reduces forced selling risk. Large buffers absorb volatility. Selling marginal amounts preserves long-term exposure. Overcapitalization transforms replacement from necessity into controlled strategy. Scale changes fragility into flexibility. Replacing a salary entirely increases fragility. Reducing dependence is different. If XRP covers a portion of expenses, pressure decreases. Partial replacement creates flexibility without forcing complete reliance on volatility. Diversified income sources distribute risk. Stability improves when no single stream carries full responsibility. Robust financial structures rarely depend on a single source. Employment income, capital gains, business revenue, and optional assets often coexist. Layering income reduces systemic vulnerability. When volatility affects one stream, others absorb pressure. Stability is not accidental. It is engineered through diversification and allocation discipline. Corporations separate operating income from capital assets. Payroll does not depend on stock price appreciation. Liquidity reserves exist independently of long-term investments. This structural separation protects continuity. Blending income needs with volatile assets reverses that logic and increases fragility. In corporate finance, predictable cash flow determines resilience. Revenue stability supports obligations. Irregular capital gains do not replace operational income. Replacing salary with XRP converts uncertain gains into required cash flow. That inversion challenges sustainability unless supported by disciplined planning and buffers. Institutions maintain liquidity reserves to survive downturns. Runway calculations estimate how long operations continue without new revenue. Individuals replacing salary need similar planning. Emergency reserves reduce forced liquidation risk. Liquidity planning converts uncertainty into survivable scenarios. Without runway, volatility dictates decisions. Stability does not emerge from hope. It results from structure, reserves, diversification, and disciplined execution. Markets fluctuate beyond personal control. Planning determines survival within that fluctuation. Replacing salary with XRP is possible only when volatility is managed intentionally. Structure precedes freedom. So, can XRP replace your salary? Mathematically, yes. With sufficient capital and disciplined withdrawals, income can be generated. Structurally, it remains fragile without buffers. Volatility, taxation, and liquidity constraints persist. Replacement depends less on price and more on preparation. Execution defines sustainability. Growing wealth tolerates volatility. Replacing income does not. Appreciation supports accumulation phases. Income replacement requires predictability. Confusing growth with stability creates unrealistic expectations. Salary replacement transforms investment into obligation. Obligation changes risk tolerance entirely. Replacing a salary with XRP is not impossible. It is conditional. Capital scale, discipline, taxation awareness, liquidity planning, and psychological resilience must align. Freedom without structure becomes fragility. If you want to explore the world of crypto, don't chase miracles. Educate yourself. Because in this world, a simple click can change a life, but only knowledge can protect your future.